Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. So I'm back with a new video on how you can change your ad bank account on your Cash App account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So then you'll have to log in into your Cash App account. So once you're logged into your account, tap on the dollar icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as soon as you tap on the dollar icon on the other interface, you'll be directed to your banking page. Once you're on this page, you need to tap on linked account, which is right at the bottom. So what you need to do is you have to tap on linked debit card. So once you tap on it on the other interface, you have to enter the detail of your debit card. So that include entering your card number or your CVV and your PIN as well. So once you're done entering all of your information, tap on add card, which is right at the bottom. And once you do that, on the other interface, you have to review all of your information once again. And if you're sure about it, tap on add. And now you've successfully added a bank account to your Cash App. So that is how you can add or change bank account on your Cash App. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.